Ah, fuck, I'm wearing green. Damn it. God damn it. This video is not going the way I wanted it to. I can't see anything right now. These are where my eyes are. This is where my eyes are supposed to be. I got my script here. I thought it through, you know? Fuck. I didn't think it through. I can't do this. These are the salmon switches from kineticlabs. They are kineticlabs' second tactile switch and third switch in their lineup. It is made of a PC polymer housing and a palm stem and uses their symmetric long springs that are 63.5 and come lightly looped. Now when I saw these come up, I was interested, not only because this is their third switch in their lineup, but because I wanted to know if kineticlabs redeemed themselves from the previous tactiles they put up. Now I don't know if you recall, but I wasn't a huge fan of the penguin switches. They have their audience, but yeah, there was something with the stem not coming back up and stuff like that. I read a comment talking about the switches and why they did that, and they said that similar things happened to the original ergo clears as well. I was like, okay, yeah, it makes sense. But now looking back at that, I realized, so what? So what? Those penguin switches are replicating the feel of an ergo clear. They aren't exactly an ergo clear, you know? Why the fuck replicate the weird upstroke problem? If they knew that was an issue, why not fix it with the penguin? I'm thinking too far into it. I'm just being a dumbass. It doesn't matter. Anyways, salmon switches, pretty nice. I like how they feel. They're pretty sharp tactility wise. I would say they're more tactile than drop pulley pandas and glorious pandas. I don't know about yacht polar pandas and Franklin switches and the OG holy pandas though. They feel pretty similar, I think, and yeah, they're pretty similar. The sound of the switches, not bad either. I mean, they're lightly lubed, the legs, but honestly, they could pass as not even being lubed. Even with the legs being lubed, there is still some scratch coming from the leaf spring. And the spring got a bit of ping as well, so. Also, I guess I could talk about the springs they use as well. kineticlabs decided to put their symmetric long springs in these switches, which just goes to show you how much their shit really costs. Like, I mean, you could say that with all the other like stores, but like, come on, man. You guys sell the switches for like $53 for 110, and you're going to tell me that the springs that go in these switches separately cost $13? Ain't buying that cat, man. Either way, ignoring the prices of the things, these springs do feel pretty good. Snappy return they talk about these switches having and the downstroke of them, pretty nice. It gives the switch a very balanced feel when typing on them. How about the lubed experience of these switches? Wow, not bad, Kinetic, not bad at all. These switches lubed feel and sound pretty good. I didn't lube the legs again. I mean, for tactiles, I never do, but because they were already lubed from the manufacturer, I guess they are lubed this time. But yeah, there's still scratch, obviously, but these switches, they still feel really snappy and still have that sharp tactility a lot of people like, including me. Lubing these switches is probably a definite yes, being that lubing just improves upon what the stock switches provide a nice sounding switch as well as a snappy tactility. Unlike other tactility switches where if you do lube them, sometimes you have the chance of losing that tactility because like the slide rails are like too lubed up and it's sort of like, and it just feels like a linear or whatever, but I don't know. So would I recommend these switches? Yeah, I guess I do recommend these switches. These switches provide you with a nice tactile experience for both the stock and lubed version of these switches, coming in at around $36.40 for 70 switches or 52 cents per switch. Also, their prices are kind of funky. Like, they say you're saving. I don't know how it really works. Like, either way, these switches for their price are very nice tactiles to try out. Honestly, get these instead of Job Holy Pandas. Get these instead of Penguin switch. That's going a little too far. That's dividing the do whatever you want. Honestly, don't even, you know what? Don't even fucking watch this video. Fucking delete this video. Report this video. Report the fucking video. But yeah, these switches better than them tactility wise, and they are cheaper as well. So yeah, good job, Kinetic. You did good. You get a gold star. You get gold star this time. Good for you. Good for you. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. I also have other keyboard content as well. If you like that, hit the subscribe button. I also have a Twitch. I stream every Friday, or try to stream every Friday, at twitch.tv/smilingdown. Here's a clip. That's some of the things that I do over there. Got him. Vaccinated and ready to fuck. Alright, swipe right. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.